Lily is a breed of dog called a beagle. Did you know that a beagle could use its powerful sense of smell to follow another animal's tracks, even if they're buried under deep snow?
Welcome, welcome, Lily. What seems to be the problem? You look very itchy, Lily. Shall we take a closer look at your fur and see what's making you so itchy?
Let's use this magnifying glass. A magnifying glass helps us to see tiny things very clearly and in more detail.
Aha! Just as I expected. You have jumpy, itchy little fleas having a party in your fur. Robbo, can you fetch the flea vacuum, please?
Let's suck those little fleas right up.
Let's count the fleas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's it. We got them all.
Those pesky fleas are so troublesome. Look, they're carrying on with their party. Lily, you are now flea-free. What a fabulous day in the treatment room. To watch more videos, just tap here, or to subscribe to Toddler Fun Learning, you can tap here. See you next time. Bye.